Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on DIA. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that first DIA broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and after that it was stuck inside in another pattern that was a symmetrical triangle. And this was my last video, by the way. And you can see that this triangle, by the way, was formed on the daily time frame chart. And now we have finally broken out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And now if we take a look at the target for this breakout, and target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle is here. That is approximately at 81.6 cents. And you can see that the price line has so far rallied up to 75.98 cents. And we are very close to hit that target. And during this move to the upside, we have also broken out this quite significant and long-term resistance of 55 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 55 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance for several months. And now it is flipped into a nice support. You can see that since we have broken out this resistance, now it is breaking as a very nice support. You can see we have tested the support here. The price and moved slightly down than this support here, but it recovered back very soon. And now again, the price line is bounced very well from the support of 55 cents. But now recently, the price line has also found another uptrend line resistance. Like here we have this previous support of the triangle. And now I'm switched to the weekly time frame chart from the daily. And you can see that we have also another uptrend line resistance as well. And now at the same time, it is also moving inside in another up channel. And the critical thing over here is that we are testing the support of the channel more than the resistance. That is bit critical because the more we test the support, the more there are chances for the breakdown. But there is also a very nice and bullish development on this weekly time frame chart is that the price line has also broken out this very, very long and huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And therefore, if the price line breaks down the support of the channel, then this cloud can work as a very strong support this time. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout that is happening on this weekly time frame chart from this very, very huge falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for DIA that I shared, by the way, on 8th of January 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that DIA formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. You can see we had a very powerful pump. And before that, the price line slightly moved down than this potential reversal zone here and here, but recovered back very soon. Then we had this nice rally, and this was almost 70% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of DIA. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And this was the triangle, by the way, that I was showing you in my previous video that was broken out on the daily time frame chart. As you can see that still it is moving above the support of the previous triangle. And let me to move back to the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that we have also found another uptrend line resistance as well. In fact, the price line found the support and resistance of this next up channel when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. You can see in the month of July 2023, we found the resistance here and we found the support here in the month of October 2023. And since then, it is moving between the resistance and support of this channel. But during this rally, the price line has recently broken out a quite significant resistance of 55 cents. So far from this low to the current high, it has rallied more than 263%. And now there is a probability that the price line may soon try to break out the next long-term resistance of $1. But the critical thing over here is that we are moving inside in another bearish bias pattern, and we are testing the support of this channel. This up channel is a bearish bias, and it is testing the support of the channel more than the resistance. That is also another critical signal because if it is testing the support more than resistance, then there are more chances for breakdown. But in case of breaking down, in my point of view, it can test the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud somewhere here, approximately at 38.2 cents. However, the technical target for the breakdown can be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at 21.5 cents. But this Ichimoku cloud can work as a very, very strong and firm support, especially when it is flipped into a bullish cloud. Now, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking out this up channel, then in case of breaking out the channel, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.40. And the target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $5.50 to $6. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.